change the pressure switch out. So let's just go ahead and take all that off. All right, so there we go. Push that onto there, and then get that over here onto that. All right, put that on. There we go. That's in. That's on. That's on all the way. Okay, let's hook these up, back up. There we go. It's all set. Now we got the new one in. Everything should fire back up. Goes the igniter. It passed the test with the pressure. Before we couldn't even get this far, when it was bad, I was able to make it work for a few days, but ultimately we need a good one in here. Because what it does is as it pulls pressure from the inductor, it creates a certain resistance, and the board interprets that as a proper draft. And as you can see, it's interpreting it correctly. That's the secret. This one just needed a new pressure valve, pressure switch in here. It's good to go. This is the old one, kind of outdated. It's old style. As you can see, they're starting to reduce the size way down. So yeah, looks good. We're done. Blower came on, perfect. All set. It's fixed.